Hi everyone and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to set up shipping rates on Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, you need to head over to your settings from the bottom left side of your screen. Once you do that, you can see we have various information in here and we need to click on shipping and delivery. Once you do that, you're going to be heading over to this particular section from where you can set your shipping rates. So you're going to be clicking on local delivery or pickup in store. So let's just click on local delivery. You're going to be setting that up and then click on your region. Once you set all this up, you can add your rates. So this location offers local delivery. Enter in here the zone and pricing. Eventually, once you do that, you can see currently it is set to free, but we can change it, of course. Click on edit, and in the radius of 6 miles there's going to be, like for example, $10 of delivery charges. You can add delivery information, click on save, and click on save from the top. Eventually it is going to be making your delivery or shipping rates on Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.